Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about a webinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you copy or duplicate one of your webinars in EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to copy or duplicate one of your webinars anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that split testing is important. So maybe you want to create a duplicate of your existing webinar and change it slightly to see which one performs better. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my web account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to copy or duplicate one of your webinars, here on the left side, make sure you've clicked on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the webinars you currently have. So go ahead and choose the one that you want to copy or duplicate. So for example, this one right here, and up right above the webinar, you're going to see this button here, clone. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you do that, it's going to take you through the setup process. So everything's set up exactly as the other webinar. So you can go ahead and change maybe just the registration or just the configuration or schedule. Once you're done, click on finish here on the top right. And once you do that, go ahead and click on go to dashboard. And now you can see we have duplicated our webinar. So by default, it's going to add the word clone in there. So this is the original and this is the duplicate or copy. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to copy or duplicate one of your webinars in EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.